Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you're having a great week so far. Just wanted to give a quick update on this video regarding our seedlings that we have put out into the garden already. We have onion and rhubarb seedlings that I'm putting into the vegetable garden. You'll also see a shot of 4 o'clocks here, 4 o'clock seedlings that I started inside, and a couple of tomato plants. Those tomato plants are Dan's experiment, so we'll keep tabs on that as well. In this shot, I just wanted to give you kind of a visual of using the seeding square for planting bulb onions. It's recommended to plant 9 within a square foot. So we're gonna see how that works out. I've used my seeding square. You can see the imprint there and the 9 holes that I've placed in. In these next few clips, I'm just taking the time to break up the ground, make sure that any crabgrass is out of the vegetable garden. This is going to be in the front border of the vegetable garden that we've planned out. Our vegetable garden is 12 by 24. If you haven't watched any of the other videos, that is the measurement for our vegetable garden. These are going to be in the front row, or the very first row of our vegetable garden. So lots of crabgrass in our yard, which, yes, it is annoying, but it makes for a nice looking yard, honestly. I don't know how many of you agree, but we don't mind it until we need it to be gone. And then it's kind of a pain in the rear. But needless to say, I'm just taking the next few minutes in the garden to make sure that all of that is pulled out and dig up the ground just so that it's a little softer for these bulb onions to go into. I'll be putting bulb onions, which are red onions. They are the red Geneva red onions. They are a bulb onion, and they'll be going here in the first row along with parade bunching green onions. Switching over to planting the rhubarb seedlings, they are going, I have 10 of them that germinated and did well inside, so I'm planting 2 to a space. I know that they grow very large. They are very large plants, but in the meantime, I'm going to put 2 to a space, there being 5 spaces, just to ensure that we have somewhat of a crop until, you know, years down the road when they get larger and we have mature plants. This may or may not be a good idea, but again, first-time gardeners, we're just making experiments and seeing how things do. I think that we can cut these out if it gets to be too much, honestly. So, you know, we'll see how that turns out later on down the road. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and next video will be a garden tour.